Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Kanini Kanene. I'm hosting you from Kenya. Kanini Kanene, that's my name in this channel. Keep on watching my videos. If it's your first time, kindly subscribe, comment and share this video. A nice video. If you can watch it, check it, have a view the way it's so very nice and calm. This road is always very calm during the weekends, though even weekdays it's not that congested like in other places, because most people don't stay this area. This for the offices, and mostly, guys, as you know, there's no way we can have congestion. We have a lot of embassy in Upper Hill. The security is so nice. Yes, let's go. Let's enjoy the walk. As I normally say, it's part of the exercise. It's part of the exercise, guys. Very nice view. Check it. Very nice. Thank you all. Thank you for supporting my channel, guys. Stay tuned always. I have a lot of uploaded videos. Hey, kuna windy. I have a lot of uploaded videos, guys. You can watch them for me, including the ads. Don't skip, please don't skip. If you love what I'm doing and honestly you want to support my channel, don't skip. Just watch the video for me. Better you watch a halfway, and then when you have another time, complete it rather than skipping. Thank you, my people. Thank you for the love. I know I can say it's love. I've been wanting to have 6,000 subscribers, and at the moment I have more than 6,000. I'm always smiling. I'm so happy with you always. Thank you for the love. Thank you for supporting. It means a lot. It means the world to me, guys. When you watch my videos, you drop the comments, you encourage me. Also, when I'm doing the exercise, the other day I was saying, when you see someone is doing the exercise, it's not easy. It's not easy. Sometimes you get discouraged, but so long as you know what you're after and what are your goals, you just keep on doing the exercise. Hey, for me, I enjoy. Even if it's hard, I enjoy working out. You see, like now, I felt like walking. So it's very nice. Yes, this Upper Hill, my working place. Yes, this is me, Kanini Kanene, the queen of squats from Kenya. I don't know. I don't know whether I'm the queen of squats or I'm just I call my names and other names that I don't even understand. Yeah, actually I'm the queen of squats. I've not seen anyone doing the squats apart from me and the queen of squats, the king of squats from South Africa. So we are only the king and the queen. Thank you, my guys. Stay tuned. Kindly support my videos. Support my videos as you can. Yeah. When I just see people watching my videos, I just get motivated. I keep on. Now I want to bring you more content because I know you love what I'm doing. So I can go, I do some contents, I bring them to you, you watch during your free time, you enjoy with me. I do the exercise, I upload because you are always motivating me. Yes, guys, you keep on motivating me. Thank you for coming. We are walking. Yes, I normally tell you, mostly when I'm free for me, I don't assume it's kawaida, so I just have a walk. I walk around the area. So that's why I say just walk with me. Don't get tired. I'm the one who is walking. Yours is just watching. And if you feel you should walk, start walking as you watch my video. We love people, and this is the love I mean. Watching my videos. This is the love I mean. Supporting my videos. Watching them full. Thank you guys. And guys, don't forget Grace Maku on 10th this month. My sister is having a party. Let's all of us attend that party as from 0700 Kenyan time. Let's all of us turn out in large number. We support our girl. Let's support our sister Grace Maku. Let's motivate the work that she's doing. Let's motivate what she's doing. She's normally doing the village vlog, mostly the cookings. So let's all of us turn out in large number. We super chat our girl. We join the membership. We do all the necessary. It's like we are just giving her the gifts, just for motivating her work. Hey, it's so hot, but I have to work. It's very much hot. 1700, that's 1700 Kenyan time. It's only 1 hour to 6 exactly. Yeah, 1 hour to 6 in the evening. So it's very hot. It's like it's morning hours. This one is serious. And then I'm just facing direct to the sun. Let's continue walking, guys. It's part of the exercise, as I say. It's part of exercise when you walk. It's allow the blood circulation, and it helps a lot. It helps a lot in blood circulation. Sema kuruka barabara, unakimbia kama hero. That man thinks I'm going to take a vehicle. They don't see I'm walking. Yeah, let's continue walking, guys. Let's enjoy the walk. I call it nature walk. The hell, I wish I had a stand. It would be so easy for me rather than this struggle. Yeah, let's continue walking as we enjoy the view. I like these roads, they were clear, very clear indeed. He wants to see what I'm doing. Hey, it's like it's morning hours and the day is almost down. Hmm? Yeah, let's keep on walking, guys. The dude, man, you can't snatch my phone. I'm very much keen. This place looks like an airport. It looks like an airport, but it's not. If you are very much keen, you can see the other day I used the same route. If you are very much keen, you can see the terminals the other side. Same price. Hey, hebu mtu anakuja kuningoja hii njia ajue hii ndio njia yangu ya kila siku. Nah. Let's continue our walking as we enjoy the view. Enjoy the area view here. Very calm place. Hey, content wewe. Content will kill us one time. The content will kill us one time. We don't give up. Today I must show you the elephants. I don't know where it can be visible. I try my best. I try. I want to see whether you can have a view of it. Yeah, that one there. At Hurubak. That's the elephant. There are two, I don't know where the other one. Yeah. Yeah, a charm here. I want you to see the elephant, the other side. Yeah, they're there. Very nice view. Yeah, guys, just have a view. Enjoy the view. Still walking, guys. I say if I decide to walk, I do it up to the CBD. Nothing like taking a vehicle from here. If it's walking for almost an hour. Woo. He tries whether he can have my phone. The snatchers, I know them. Ananiangalia ni kama ameona ghost ikipanda mti. Naweza kimbia hii barabara mpaka amshangae. Kasongo yeye. Ni wengi kwa hii barabara. Nawaona. Wala akienda na hii nitakufa stress. It's not safe at all. It's not safe at all. It's not safe. Masaa iruka barabara mbio. Na safari iendelee. Sijui nibebe mawe. Hapa ni kuangaliana. Unakaa macho. I said we have to finish our journey. If I start walking, I must walk up to the CBD. At least once a week. I walk once a week. Because weekdays, lazima nipande matatu. Ama mwingine anihurumia nikujie kazini. Bure, mguu ifanye kazi yake. At least let's continue our journey. Thank you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel always, guys. I can't take that one for granted. I know this far it's because of the friendship and the love that you have for this channel, guys. The reason we are moving so nicely. At least we are heading somewhere. I say we are heading somewhere. Si kama hiyo wakati ingine ulikuwa tu unakaa tu mwenyewe ujui unaelekea wapi. Just doing it but you don't know what you are doing. But this far, the milestone, I know we are heading somewhere. We have future. Can I say that? We have future. Future with this channel. Leo ndajaribu kuchukua town center nione kama itaingiana. Yeah, the Kenyatta conference that far. You can see it. Street the twin something. Continue touring the city. Na sai unaangalia barabara and then unaruka expressway. That's Holy Basilica, the entrance of Holy Basilica Church. Ruta continua, still our journey is going on. Beautiful places. Here we continue. Walai, I wish ningesikia venye wanasema. It's okay, let's continue our journey guys. Let's continue our journey. Our journey continues. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I think this one is somehow better. The highway is the one that's dangerous, but here, the harbour part of Nairobi, the harbour part of CBD is safe. Not like the other one, the river road. Iko sawa hii. Whew. Our walk in the CBD. Let's continue our journey, guys. I thank God there's no one who's asking me any question. Oh, no one is asking me any question. Just doing it, walking. Yeah, Koinange Street. This is Koinange Street. Today I'm walking to Mama Ngina Street. Walai. I'm tired. Let's continue our journey. Pole pole, pole pole. No stress, no hurry up, just walking. Just enjoying the walk. I said it's so helpful for blood circulation when you keep on walking. At least once a week, not bad. And if you can do it daily, just do it. It's so healthy. So healthy and very important. Jubilee, the old Jubilee. You can cross the road very quickly. Ina inataka confidence ya kutembea. It needs confidence and motivation. That's it, Trattoria. I don't know the name. The name of the hotel. Now walking on the streets. In the CBD, the streets. Yeah, let's walk all of us together, guys. Let's enjoy the view. Yeah, this now the town center, the CBD itself. I've been doing it over here, but today I said I have to extend the walk up to the CBD.
Where did you go to?
Very soon I will start interviewing people. Nimetafuta confidence ya kufanya in between the CBD. Nasumbua. Nateza. Ofisa anachungulia. Anashangaa, what is this lady doing? Now, because I'm just doing the shopping for my boy, we can end our live stream here, and then I start my shopping. See you. Bye bye. Stay tuned and watch my videos kindly.